Speaking of the roads on Kauai, state transportation officials say a single lane of Kuhio Highway will reopen today for emergency use after last week's landslide. Barriers and a rock fence were installed on Hanalei Hill yesterday. The DOT says an emergency access lane will give first responders access to the North Shore.
Other than that, this week we will continue to work with our North Shore community to be able to get medical, food, supplies. We're going to work with Department of Health to make sure that people on that side that were scheduled to get vaccines have some way to get vaccines as well.
The emergency access only period could last 2 days. The state is working on a plan to provide public use after that. Security checkpoints will be on both sides of the landslide to ensure public safety.
New COVID-19 cases in the islands remain in the double digits. 46 cases were reported across the state, pushing the total number of cases in Hawaii so far to 28,305. 22 new infections were on Oahu. There were no new deaths reported. Meanwhile, vaccinations for thousands of folks in Phase 1C continues today. Hawaii Pacific Health at Pier 2 is already booked through Saturday. Both HPH and Queens are encouraging those in 1C to keep checking their websites for availability later in the week.
We're still working on the essential workers in 1C. We're working closely with the Department of Health. They're going to come up with some criteria, figuring out who's going to go to which pod to get their vaccines.
On the Big Island, Hilo Medical Center says it saw a huge response in folks 65 and older wanting to get vaccinated. It's scheduling for appointments through April 3rd. On Kauai, hospitals are booked today. And on Maui, more than 5,000 appointment requests were made last weekend.
Phase 1C also includes workers in hospitality and food service. The health department says it would like to vaccinate hotel employees, restaurant workers, and those who work at bars as quickly as possible. And while hotels have reopened, many workers are currently on furlough. The state says those employees are still a part of Phase 1C.
Our phones in the office have been ringing off the hook, since word came in that people are eligible. Many of the hotels have just kind of started off on their own, and there's been some confusion about who should get it and when and so on and so forth.
The Hawaii Tourism Authority will have an instructional webinar for hotel general managers and labor unions. HTA says that will get everyone on the same page, so information from each hotel will be uniform and communicated to the health department. Now, the concerns of hospitality workers are being addressed as thousands of tourists arrive here for spring break.
And the increase in the number of people, at least in Waikiki, is very noticeable. Dallas Ontiveros joins us live from Waikiki with more details. Morning, Dallas.
Good morning, Christy and Ross. You guys are right. If you live or you work in Waikiki, you could definitely feel it and see it. Just this past weekend, our State Safe Travels program screened more than 25,000 travelers, and that's just from this weekend. And here on Oahu, at least, it's been pretty beneficial because with this Tier 3 system in place and also all the adjustments, we're seeing restaurants and also bars and, establishments just have fewer restrictions while still practicing those safety precautions. But with a number that big, more than 25,000 travelers, we haven't seen that number in a long time since this coronavirus pandemic. We wanted to get feedback from spring breakers on what they think about the Safe Travels program and how it worked out for them. We spoke with Lori and Tony. They're both from Florida, and we all know that Florida is on a whole different pace from Hawaii, but go ahead and take a listen on what they had to say.
It's been really nice. It was easy to get out here, not difficult at all. Once you take your COVID test and you're negative and you upload everything to the Safe Travels program, they just get you on the island and you're ready to go.
She pretty much said it. As long as you play it safe and as long as you take your test and you haven't been sick and you're not feeling fun, you don't have any issues at all, then I think that you should be just fine traveling.
Yeah.
Again, that was Lori from Tony. They're a couple over in Florida, from Melbourne, Florida, just giving some feedback about the Safe Travels program. And it looks like they got some good things to say. And of course, you know, this is just a peek at the numbers that we could see moving forward with spring break continue on through March and April and even the summer right around the corner. So if you want some more details or just hear more insight from local businesses and also other industries, head over to our website at KHON2.com. You can learn some more info there. Reporting from Waikiki, Dallas Ontiveros, KHON2 News, working for Hawaii.
I like Tony. He's like, that's what she says. I agree
Smart
with
man.
everything she says. All right, 7:09 right now, and Zippy's is offering its employees an incentive to get vaccinated.
That's right. Now, if they do get the shot, they earn points that can be used in the company's new rewards program for workers just launched yesterday to improve safety. Now, points can be traded in for things like company merchandise and even a paid day off. Workers can also earn points by downloading the Aloha Safe Alert app.